Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Hoover brand dryer and it's giving you an E10 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. So first of all, what is the error? So the error is that the machine is detecting that the drum is empty when it's not supposed to be empty. And so if you have clothes in there, if you have something that's being dried in there and you're getting this error, the thing to do would just be to take all the clothes out, turn it off, turn it back on, put the clothes back in, and try to cycle a load again and see if it doesn't detect the clothes this time and start functioning properly. The next step in the process, if that doesn't clear it out, would just be to try to do a hard restart on the machine. So again, turn it off, take the clothes out, but this time you're going to disconnect it from power completely for a full minute. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit for a full minute. Then you can restore power, turn it on, and try to run your cycle and see if doing it that way doesn't get it detecting the clothes and then functioning properly. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.